yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bring it in. Bring it in, people. Listen, it's a marvelous day. I have one of my constituents here with me, one of my ace boons here. It is a perfect time right now to be scooping you a little bit of dip. XRP is performing exactly where I need her to be because, again, come Thursday or Friday of next week, I will have completed my bag, a.k.a. my golden ticket to the Willy Wonka chocolate factory, guys. Listen, let's tap in. This is going to be another banger episode. We're going to get a little Sunday Funday action in here as usual, a little Mimosa Lita action. So let's get this information. Let's tap down in it. All right. Bitcoin sitting at 69,712 again, sitting around that 70,000 mark. $70,000 point. We're looking for that break of 74,000 for that continuation of that bull rally. All of this is still in that span of time with these crypto blockchains that are having to still balance off the sheets from the drop of the halving of that Bitcoin. So it still costs as much for them to run it, but they're getting less reward. Things have to be balanced. Maybe you have to sell some, you have to sell some Bitcoin to make up for, the difference of this. But that's what's occurring now. We've got Ethereum still sitting at 3,712. Solana at $161. Remember, $5 at the beginning of this year. XRP sitting at that beautiful 50-cent mark right now, where again, I have determined to be the floor, not only just based off of because I want to be the floor, but based off the fact that if you notice, every time we get to this 48, 49 cent mark, we bounce back up to 52 cents, 51 cents. I would not be shocked if before Monday morning, this is sitting at 51 cents. Again, Bitcoin is only at 70,000. The retracement even at XRP now is still, we know, all based on this settlement. Because if it was based on price action, Bitcoin fell down to 55,000? When that dip happened, when they had the sell-off behind the halving, and that took XRP to 55 cents, Bitcoin is now back up to 71 cents, but XRP is sitting at 50 cents. That goes to show you this is suppression. This has nothing to do with price action. But let's keep tapping in. All right. Robinhood. Beautiful information. We are accelerating Robinhood crypto worldwide expansion. Robinhood has officially entered into an agreement to acquire Bitstamp, a global cryptocurrency exchange with the customers across the EU, UK, US, and Asia. Now, again, what does this mean, guys? This means that now Robinhood, the exchange, the stock market, is now about to allow for you to do investments into the crypto space. Now you're now opening the door for retail, those that don't know about it or see XRP, that are going to be able to buy just like Robinhood gave you the opportunity to come in with AMC. Guys, it's really too late to jump in now. If you have not been building that bag up, this FOMO of this settlement, you're not going to be able to catch this anywhere below $3. I'm telling you. Let's keep tapping in. XRP Leprola, how you say his name. There you have it, folks. Ever wonder where Jim Cramer's loyalty lies? It's not with the average American investor. Now, guys, this was from December 23rd, 2022. Now, I want y'all to listen to what Jim Cramer was talking about with XRP. And this is why I say you cannot listen to these figureheads on media, because they'll say one thing, and right when it's time for the money to be made, that's when they jump and change the whole tune. But it's too late for you to start accruing then. Let's tap in. Let me show you what I mean.
I think that crypto, I sold all my crypto. I announced everything on TV.
Fair use.
What I did with crypto. But I would not touch crypto in a million years because I wouldn't trust the deposit bank.
And you're making no distinction between centralized,
I wouldn't trust crypto at all.
decentralized.
They fought regulation. They didn't want regulation, and you don't have regulation.
They fought regulation. They didn't want regulation. You don't have regulation.
So if you have your money,
you like some regulation around here now.
Look, I'm not calling you an idiot. I'm just saying you're using a lot of blind faith. And I like to have my money at JP Morgan, and I
can't stand this peanut head.
Check on Monday to see whether my balance is there. It's there. It feels good. Try getting your money out. When I had money, I'm not going to mention the firm that I had my money in, but it was a fight to get the money out.
And here's the thing, guys. Now, do y'all see the emotion and matter of fact he's talking with? This is an old school, and realistically, the guy's a goofy. He's a goober. You came in, and I get you on TV and you talk about investments, but my guy, you really got big at a time that the first change into technology was coming in. You mean to tell me you had to pick between Apple, Walmart, AOL? Those were your hard picks. Yeah, you should have done well. You know, there wasn't anything to pick but things that were going to be massive growth. But now, when we're talking about new forms of assets, crypto, the guy has no idea. He's got his money with a firm holding the crypto, talking about it was hard to get my money out. Well, that's the point of why it's called a cold storage, because you're supposed to have the money. You're supposed to have the crypto on you. It's decentralized. The guy has no idea, but it's talking matter of fact to hundreds of millions of people that follow this guy blindly.
A fight. And I think that everybody who owns these various coins, Solana, Litecoin.
Solana, Litecoin. Listen to every coin he's named, and every coin that he has named so far, right, is up over hundreds of thousands of percent. At this time, Solana was what? $1, $3, $5? Solana's $173 at current, $160 at current point.
I do think you're an idiot, okay?
Oh.
I did not go to college to get stupid. These people who own these things should not own them.
At this point, Bitcoin was at 25,000, 30,000 on its initial runs before the 60,000 run. Bitcoin's sitting at $70,000 now. They were dumb to have paid for a $4,000 Bitcoin.
They shouldn't own them.
You're an idiot, he says. He learned that from college. Now, let's follow what Peanut Head says here. Guys, on June 5th, 2 days ago, let's see what the same Peanut Head says here about the SEC and Gary Gensler on who? XRP. Let's tap in here. Fan use.
Can we have a little...
Guys, and look at him. And this is what I hate about the guy, is if you're wrong, it's okay, you're wrong. But call a spade, right? Be like, hey, you got it.
But the SEC versus Ripple Labs.
Ripple. Dave, what do you want to ask? There you go. I've got the floor.
Thanks.
You lost that one. Thanks. This is Gary Gensler on the show with him. He's saying, you know, they're talking trash. He's like, you lost the case against Ripple. I mean, literally. Guys. Wow. Jim Crammer tells Gary Gensler live on CNBC that he lost the case against Ripple. And y'all talking about I wonder if there's a settlement. I don't know about. Okay. Kenny, I'm a V12 type of guy. I'm a 3-thought type of guy. A double-decker yacht type of dude. This doesn't take much, guys. If you even open your eyes, I mean, this is on the news now. It's too late. I'm not telling you to convince you. I'm just saying, hey, I told you. This is on CNBC with the guy that we're in the settlement with. And you guys don't think the settlement's done? I told y'all 3 days ago, it's done. The way Gary came out and they're talking about these stable coins, and they told you when he literally said, hey, we expect the settlement by summer, July. Then now this is on live. He's like, Gary, you lost that one. Guys, the settlement's done. It's done. It's done. Now, also another thing from Pinhead Larry. Bitcoin is up 112% since Jim Cramer told investors to sell 11 months ago. 112%. Let's listen to this guy. And this is why I want you to understand. Watch who you're getting your information from. Not everybody talking with an opinion has an opinion worth listening to. You have to have fact with it. Bring me information to show why. Right? But of course, maximum of the time, people don't do that. Because
Bitcoin
they don't know
today,
what's going on.
and I could argue that now it can
At this time, Bitcoin was at $24,000.
Held in banks. Bitcoin's a strange animal.
And now he's talking about Bitcoin's a strange animal. But you'll never hear him say, all right, hey, maybe I was wrong with how I came at people saying they were idiot. Now, remember just 2 years ago, they were idiots when it was at 6,000, 8,000, and 12,000 and 20,000. Okay.
I will say point blank, I think it's being manipulated up. It was being manipulated the whole time by Sam Bankman-Fried.
Okay.
So please don't assume, therefore, that it's not still being manipulated.
I hate this
and
guy.
I would sell my Bitcoin right into this rally. And believe me, I had been a believer one time in Bitcoin. Not here, not now.
Not here, not now. Now, that was February 17th. He said, I would sell right now into this rally. If you had sold at 24,000, you would have missed out on 2 more X year return. It's at almost $70,000 and climbing. We haven't even entered the bull rally. This guy told you months ago to sell your crypto. Who is this guy? These are oppositions here, people. I want y'all to notice it, but keep tapping in. I know where my 10 Jezebels are sitting. Ripple, official. Ripple is partnering with Clear Junction to enhance, listen here, GBP and Euro payouts for our customers. This collaboration strengthens our cross-border payment solution, ensuring faster, secure transactions in the UK and EU. Interesting. Wow, Clear Junction, huh? Who is that? Clear Junction, the global payment solutions provider. Interesting. So we're partnered up now with another instant payment solution that is now linking the Great British Pound and Euro payouts for customers. Yeah, no, yeah. Hey, sell your XRP, guys. I don't think it's worth it. I think you should sell your XRP. I heard Dogecoin. Dogecoin, you need to put all your money in Dogecoin. That's what you should do. That's what you do. There's way better options right now than where you should put your money than XRP. I know you've got the ideas. I don't know. This was my solution. All right, let's come down with it. Amelia, breaking news. Is that 517? What is it? $517 billion in unrealized losses hit the U.S. banking system. FDIC says 63 lenders, and these are banks, on the brink of insolvency. Now, remember, I told y'all 6 months ago, that thing that happened where we had the bank collapses, and then all the way over with Credit Suisse and all of that, and then they printed some money and covered up. Guys, the SWIFT system lost its legs and arteries. And why I'm standing so firm on the fact knowing XRP is the move is because the SWIFT system is dead. The SWIFT system had lost too much blood with that last bank run. It had too many bank runs quick. You're floating on paper money. It has no value. They're shifting expeditiously to the crypto market next year. The government don't move that fast, guys. For them to be moving this fast, this is how urgent the problem is. XRP is the solution. Crypto is the only solution. Just do not forget that. Reality here. Bank XRP, Ripple Monica launch a launch of USD stablecoin like to take place this year is what she said. And again, this was at another one of those seminars. I think this was actually at that consensus event, 2020. And that was in Austin? I think it was in Austin, Texas. But nonetheless, here you go again. The president of your company is telling you, by the way, yeah, the stablecoin is pretty likely to drop this year. But you are making some reason why you didn't throw $10 in there today, huh? Okay. All righty. Okay. Amelia, we are on the verge of a complete paradigm shift. The greatest utility bull run of all time is upon us. If you sell now, you could regret it forever. It's not you could. You will regret this forever. And I'm not here for 1 and 2 digits. I'm here for 4 or 5 digits. And again, this is a chart just showing that the charts are great things to look at as far as if you're trading. Understand the reason the chart is looking like it's set up on a bullet, and what they would call this is a ascending. I think it's the ascending wedge, if I'm not mistaken, which is a bullish pattern. But again, it's not just a chart. It's because of what's going on in the background that the chart is being represented. The chart is representing a settlement's coming, guys. And I want to end off on this note here. I don't miss. I want to pull this video up to say, guys, everything that I've told y'all has been on point. When it was time to slide to AMC, unfortunately, I didn't like it, but I did it. And if people that did and moved and slid on XRP, I've got multiple messages that are like, hey, man, you saved me thousands of dollars. Because AMC is down 99% for people that held on after seeing what was going in front of you. But that's what let me know you're going to have 2 different type of investors. You got people in the money mafia that are really about this and really about trying to make some financial growth. And you got people that are just wanting to play a role. But Mark, check what somebody was saying about NVIDIA and AI and investments 1 year ago. And much love to the families that's all been here, guys. Much love to y'all. Shout out to y'all boys. Now, but listen here. Guys, listen. As I kept screaming it, that's a good looking guy. Artificial intelligence. I don't know if I need to do this, but I'm just going to do it. Fair use. You hear me? That's mine. Sweet Balutha. If you don't put your money down on some of this here, you're going to miss it. You're going to miss it, not in the sense that it's not going to grow, but listen, if you take an NVIDIA is expensive now. 1 year ago, 12 months ago, I don't miss. I see the future. You might catch it on the next stock split. I'm just telling you like that. But guys, double tapping in. I said, if you think it's expensive now, you might catch it on the next stock split. 1 year ago. And that was when NVIDIA was at 250. Then I was buying at 300. And let's see what NVIDIA is at right now. NVDA. $1,200. And would you believe it? There's a stock split coming. NVIDIA will perform on June 10th a 10-for-1 forward stock split. I don't miss, and I don't just talk. I'm really bringing facts, and these facts are what I'm basing my educated opinion off of. Not financial advice, but I told you, and I put a challenge out there. Go through all my videos and tell me where I was wrong. I'm telling you now, load your boat. You got a couple. Hey, we're in that, what, just like the CEO say, Brad Garner, I said, we're on the last final half a mile on this dash. Expect to sell them by July, guys. You got to count down to 30 days to really do what you got to do. Hey, much love to y'all boys. It's up. I'm feeling, I'm vibrating. Money is coming left and right for me, guys. 2024 is my year, and everybody is around me and in Money Mafia. This is your year, whether you know it or not. But you soon will. Do you hear me? And how are we going to celebrate? Hey, pull your boat up close to mine. Don't touch it. Don't crash it. Okay, all right. Okay, now I'm going to call the thoughts. Hey, much love to y'all. Y'all hold it down. You know what time it is, don't you, Kenny? Oh, yes, sir.